Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to recover contacts to get them back. So let's tap on settings, then tap on your name at the very top. Now you can see midway down is iCloud and you can see iCloud is working to back up everything including my contacts. So if I deleted a contact from my phone, I can always pull it from the iCloud and bring it back into my phone. To do that, let's tap on show all and then you can see contacts. Like it's turn this off and it will ask me, do I want to delete all of these contacts from my phone or keep them? Let's hit keep on my iPhone and then all I have to do is toggle this back and hit merge. Basically what this will do is it will keep all of the existing contacts on my phone, plus it will pull in every single contact that was on my iCloud. So in this way you can recover deleted contacts on iPhone. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.